Okay.
Very nice gentleman.
Yes.
He didn't get up yet. Yeah, he is. I like the way you do that.
That one started up
Well,
too.
this red one's leaving too.
Yep. There he goes. He's going very slow. Better watch out for the birds.
Oh. Oh, he got somebody in the back with him.
Yeah. I don't know if he's doing rides or not.
Well, you're going to catch me in one of them things. Where'd that first guy go to already?
He's there. I see him.
Huh?
He's white, so you can't see him too pretty hard.
You see him way out?
Yeah, I see him.
No, I see the one.
Yeah, I see both.
Bill.
I see both.
Really?
Yep.
I don't know how you see them both.
Yeah, I
That
see
dark
him.
cloud.
Yeah, the white one's turning right. He's off.
Oh, boy, he's off the ground early.
Yeah.
I got to go to that porta pot.
Okay.
That was pretty cool.
Yeah. What is that? That's a little weird. Oh well.